The fact the Meemic Foundation provides exciting new grant opportunities throughout the year is great news for educators. But with so many opportunities, how do you stay in the know and not miss out? It's easy. Join the Meemic Foundation Club. Membership is free, and signing up only takes a few minutes. Just go to meemicfoundation.org/register. Provide a little information about yourself, and just like that, you're in the club and in the know. The Meemic Foundation Club is your exclusive gateway to grants for books, school supplies, technology, and other classroom needs offered throughout the year. Plus, club members also receive access to professional and personal development webinars and workshops, as well as money-saving discounts from our partners at Office Depot and Quill.com. There are over 50,000 educators who are already enjoying millions of dollars in grants, so don't miss out any longer. Visit meemicfoundation.org/register and join the Meemic Foundation Club today.